that looks good.
And it tastes as good as it looks, Penny. My patented pick-me-up blackberry smoothie.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Perfect after a hard day at school.
Oh, this one was so hard to find.
Well, I found it really easy to find.
I've only found a couple of them.
Jay, honey, shall we come back for a blackberry smoothie once you've finished your homework?
Yes, please.
Yeah, let's. Can we bring Dad?
Of course.
Right. Homework first, then smoothies. Back soon, Shane.
Bye. Right, let's make some smoothies. Everything okay, Izzy?
Not really. It's my homework.
Let's take a look.
We've got to spot as many of these animals and birds as we can. Honey and Jay have almost got them all, but I've hardly got any.
Oh, it's not your fault. You work very hard helping me with the restaurant. Tell you what, you do some nature watching, and I'll bring you out a blackberry smoothie from the first batch.
Okay, thanks, Dad. Seagull. Oh, seagull. Ah! Seagull! Oh, jolly. You were the first thing I ticked off. This is hopeless.
You pop in the blackberries, add the bananas, and the milk.
Dad.
Ah, what is it? I thought you were nature spotting.
There's nothing out there that I haven't already spotted.
Tell you what, let me finish up here and I'll help you.
Dad, the lid!
Ah! Sizzling saucepan! You! Oh, no.
What's the problem? It tastes great.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
To you, Izzy. Good job. Here we go.
Here you go, Maggie. The last one.
Oh, wow. Thank you, everyone. I couldn't have done this without you.
You're welcome.
No problem, Maggie.
Ooh, these strawberries look delicious.
And he's on the outside. He cuts in. He shoots. Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Are you okay, Mama Polenta? Oh, I'm fine, but... Oh dear, the strawberries. Oh, they're ruined. The strawberries are completely squashed.
This is terrible. I thought getting everyone to help would save Maggie's strawberries.
I'm really sorry, Maggie. I didn't mean to squish the strawberries.
Oh, I know, Mario, but I just don't know what I can do with them now.
What we need is something that we could flavour with all sorts of tasty things.
Like bananas and kiwi fruit.
And strawberries.
What on earth are you two talking about?
Yogurt!
I don't understand. Where is it? I'm sure I put the yogurt right here. But if it's not in the fridge... Oh no! Oh, I put it in the wrong place in the freezer! Oh, not the fridge!
Don't worry, Mama Polenta. Here, Izzy, try this.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Shane. Oh dear, what can I say?
It's not bad.
And with some added squashed strawberries, it'll taste even better.
Here he is, Shane the chef. Don't worry, Maggie. I'll get him. I'm the best goalie in town.
Oh, watch it, Mario. Watch out!
Ouch! Oh, good save, Izzy. Time we were off to the show before my pumpkin ends up as mash.
At this rate, we'll be done in no time.
Brilliant. Oh, dear.
Is it supposed to be that loud?
Oh, well, it probably just needs a tweak.
Look out!
My Mary looks like it has a good chance of winning.
Oh, Mr. Singh started judging.
Oh! Oh.
Wait, where's Dad got to now? He wanted to see my marrow being judged. Dad, Mr. Singh's about to judge my...
It's okay, Izzy. Don't panic. Everything's under control.
But your veggie stew. What are you going to feed everyone now?
Don't worry, Izzy. I'll think of something.
Whoa! Now that's what I call a mess. Izzy, Mr. Singh's about to judge your marrow.
I know, I really wanted to see it, but I want to stay and help Dad.
No, you go. I'll be fine.
Oh,
Dad, how are you supposed to feed everyone?
off you go, and good luck.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
We've turned Maggie's leftovers into delicious sweet potato chips. And to make them extra special,
We add the leftover cheese I found in the fridge.
good job, Izzy. Come here, you.
All finished, Mama.
Good boy, Mario. Now you can have those chips.
Yeah, chips.
Here are those chips I promised you, Mario.
Ugh, you said you were making chips.
That's right. Shane the chef's easy, cheesy, sweet potato chips.
Oh, when Mario said you promised him chips, I don't think this is what he had in mind.
Ah, Maggie. Hello. You fancy a chip?
Oh, delicious. So this is what you did to my leftover sweet potatoes. Well, I'm so glad they didn't go to waste.
Wow, Shane, they were great. Have you got any more?
Here he is, Shane the chef.
So, what kind of pizza would you like to make?
Honey pizza?
I'm not sure honey is quite right for a pizza, but we've got plenty of other toppings to choose from.
I did warn you, I'm not very good at all this.
You'll be brilliant. Just copy me. That's it. Get your hands in there and mix everything up together. Now, we knead the dough like this. No, you've got to show it who's boss.
Okay, here goes.
That's it.
Shane?
Ah, I'm not sure this one's any better than the last one.
Oh, it looks good to me.
And me. Really? Great.
And that is how you make a thin pizza base. Go on, Penny, give it a go.
Okay.
Ooh. I think it's time to move on to the toppings.
It's looking really good, Mario.
Mum was right. Paint is definitely your thing.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Right, so you put the sauce on like this. Sizzling saucepans.
How marvellous!
Maybe I should have mentioned the toppings go on the pizza, not the chef.